If you've ever wondered how much money you can actually make as a smaller creator on YouTube, stop listening to all the gurus out there. In this video, I'm going to be sharing all my earnings that I have made within the last month on my YouTube channel as someone who just hit 18,000 subscribers. I'm going to be showing you my income with sponsorships, Google AdSense, and affiliate marketing. Those are the three different ways on how I have learned how to monetize my YouTube channel. And I'm going to be showing you my process on helping my channel grow over time. So if you're a smaller creator and if you are looking to get more traction out there, comment down below and let's all help each other out. So on my YouTube channel in the last 30 days, I have generated over 146,000 views, and this has grown over time, and I get paid with Google AdSense with this. To get more context on my channel, I show people how to make money online, especially with clipping, and I also make other tutorials out there with video editing, content creation, things like that. And for the last year and a half now, I've posted one long form video every week, and I stay consistent with it, and doing that one thing has really helped my channel grow. And this was not an overnight thing. It took a lot of sacrifice and many months of not getting paid on my YouTube channel. And I've been trying to get better at what helps people click your videos, and those two things are titles and thumbnails. And honestly, I still have videos that don't perform the best, but the difference is that I'm constantly learning from the results. So now let's get into the actual numbers. So my first source of income is Google AdSense. And for the month of June, I earned a total of $244. And with it being the end of the month now, it has now been paid out, and I got my channel monetized in about April earlier this year, and my AdSense earnings has been growing every single month steadily. So that is something I'm really excited about, is knowing that I'm potentially going to be making more and more each month with Google AdSense, as obviously over time my channel is going to keep growing, and vice versa with yours as well. And that's as long as you keep posting on your channel and don't take a few weeks off. Now, something I want to be clear about is that not every channel with a similar subscriber count to me is going to make the same amount, because your earnings will depend on your niche, your audience, and your RPM. And from what I've seen, I've had different videos on my channel range for a couple bucks per 1,000 views up to like $6 to $7 per 1,000 views. And your RPM is going to be different on different videos depending on how much advertisers are willing to pay on your video. But while $244 may not sound like a lot of money to some people, this is coming from videos that I have posted consistently over time, and it's going to continue to bring in revenue on my channel with more views that comes in over time. Now, Google AdSense can be a great source of income when you're starting out your channel, but only relying on that can be a mistake. And this is why I started doing affiliate marketing on my channel, and some platforms that I promote are Uptribo, Weigh-In Video, and some investing tools on Ads by Money. So when you see links in my description, and when you watch other creators out there, they will also have links in their description. And so these are affiliate links, and creators will earn a commission when a purchase is made through that link. So I'm going to share some earnings from some of the affiliates that I have earned on my channel from. And the first one is Uptribo. And for my lifetime earnings, I have earned $1,054 with a pending payout of $41. Now, with affiliate marketing, depending on what you're promoting, don't expect a lot of money unless if you have some big audience. But for the most part, us smaller creators maybe expect around 50 bucks a month from different affiliates that you offer on your channel. But obviously this will ultimately just depend on your audience, and that will determine your conversions with your affiliate links. Another affiliate link that I promote on my channel is Weigh-In Video. It's a similar website to Uptribo where you can turn your long form videos into viral shorts, and it's an editing software in your browser. And so far I've earned $135 so far, and every day I am getting clicks with them, especially with promoting Weigh-In Video in my recent videos. And Weigh-In Video is actually a sponsor on my channel, so that's something I'm going to talk about later in the video. But essentially, I'll talk about these different tools on my channel, give value to my audience, and then I will give a call to action saying it's linked down below in the description. And for the most part, I'll have promo codes along with it, and that really helps as well, so my audience can get a discount on these products. And there's multiple other affiliates that I have, but another one that I earned money with last month is with Ads by Money. And in the last 30 days, I've made $160 just by sharing links to services where you can save and invest money on. So the takeaway here is that with one affiliate link, you could earn $40. Another one, you could earn hundreds and hundreds of dollars with. But when you add all of these different income streams together, it definitely adds up. The next income source that I'm very excited to talk about is sponsorships. And I would have never thought in my life that I could land one on my channel. And I've had a few this year, but the one I specifically want to talk about is Weigh-In Video. They've been a sponsor on my channel for the last few months. And as a smaller creator, this is something that I really like, is working with a sponsor long term, because they see the value in in my channel, and it also helps me as a smaller creator knowing that I have extra support with my channel, which helps me make more videos and invest more into my YouTube channel. And I'm not going to disclose the exact amount that I've been paid, but sponsorships on your channel will pay you more than affiliate marketing and even Google AdSense combined. The key here is just to build an audience that trusts you, and then brands that come across your channel will end up seeing that too. And for myself, with how I landed Way in Video as a sponsor is I had my email in my description, and that has helped me get many emails from different brands and different opportunities. And something that I've learned is that a lot of brands out there aren't looking for the biggest channels. You could have a smaller channel and have it really niched down, and that's where brands will come in because you already have a very set audience that would like their set products. And that's where Way in Video comes in with my audience, because I do a lot of clipping videos on my channel. So in the last month, I've made almost 4 figures in 1 month alone just from sponsors. So if you're a smaller creator, you can create these own opportunities for yourself. Just post consistent long form content every week, maybe throw in some shorts in there. And if you keep your audience engaged with your content, you are bound to land your first sponsorships. Now let's take a look at my YouTube channel's analytics. In the last 30 days, my channel has generated over 146,000 views. And my goal here isn't to make every single long form video on my channel go viral. My goal here is to make useful videos and understand what people are clicking on. And I try to improve each time with each of my videos. And one thing I've been really focusing on my YouTube channel is trying A/B testing with YouTube titles. So instead of assuming the first title that pops into my head, I'll create multiple versions of that said title and I'll compare them. Sometimes I'll put it into ChatGPT and I'll link my channel with these titles, and then I'll get more feedback on these titles, and then I'll go from there on what I like to use, what I don't like to use. So this is something I've been doing on my channel with all my videos. I'll do 3 titles every time, and then after a week or 2, it'll show you the results on your titles for your videos and what got more clicks, more watch time, and then whichever has the highest percentage, YouTube will then make that your official title, which ultimately will help your channel grow. As for thumbnails, this is also very important, and as someone who is not the best thumbnail designer, I use a tool called Thumb Magic, and this helps streamline my thumbnail process, and it helps me move faster when I'm testing different ideas on my channel. But the tool itself isn't what makes a thumbnail perform. The important part is understanding the viewer, and that's exactly where Thumb Magic comes into play, because there are tons of templates already in Thumb Magic that are proven to help creators go viral and get more views. So that's exactly what I've done on my channel. If you want more of a breakdown on how to use Thumb Magic, I'll have the video linked up here, and you can learn how to make thumbnails in there. And that's the tool that I used on this video itself, which got you to click. So if you're a smaller creator out there watching this video, just know that you don't need some massive audience to start making money online. I'm still a somewhat smaller creator. I just hit 18,000 subscribers, which I'm extremely grateful for. And one tip I will say, if you want to get more subscribers on your channel, try to aim for more short form content, because the majority of my subscribers that I got 4 years ago, I posted a YouTube short. It went extremely viral where I posted a DoorDash video and it got a couple million views, and this video raked in tons and tons of subscribers to my channel. So if you need more subscribers on your channel to get monetized, aim for short form content. But if you need watch hours on your channel, aim for long form content, because that will really help you get in the 4,000 watch hours, which took me extremely long to get on my YouTube channel. That's one of the hardest things to get. So this has been my journey on YouTube and my earnings in the last month. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. And if you guys have any questions regarding making money on YouTube, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to help out in any way I can. And I also have a free Discord community, which will be linked down below. So if you want to ask me any questions in there, then you can go for that. Anyways, I really appreciate you all watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.